right now we are in search of food. So we made it to the checkpoint. Here we go. All the way to the top. Alright guys, I made it to the top. So it took 3 hours, 55 minutes. Let's take some pretty good breaks. And so this is a crater. It's about 6 miles, just over 6 miles. Actually my watch says 6.2. But yeah, great day of hiking. The views from up here, absolutely amazing today. It's a super clear day, which is kind of rare on Hallasan. Alright guys,